The night was dark and ominous as three brothers, James, Ethan, and Benjamin, stood before the looming haunted mansion. Its facade, once grand and elegant, was now weathered and crumbling, adding to the eerie atmosphere that surrounded it. The wind howled through the skeletal trees, causing the brothers to shiver with apprehension. Despite the fear gnawing at their hearts, they were determined to explore the mysteries that lay within the mansion's shadowy walls. With lanterns in hand, they cautiously pushed open the creaking doors, their echoes filling the desolate halls. A chill ran down their spines as they stepped into the gloomy foyer, where dusty cobwebs adorned the corners, and an unsettling silence enveloped them. They exchanged nervous glances, but knew they couldn't turn back now. Their curiosity had led them this far. The air seemed to thicken around them as they ventured deeper into the mansion. Each creak of the floorboards beneath their feet sent shivers down their spines. The flickering lantern light cast eerie shadows on the peeling wallpaper, making the walls appear to come alive with ghostly figures. The brothers felt an inexplicable weight on their shoulders, as if the mansion itself was watching and waiting for their every move.
Their hearts pounded like thunder as they explored the dimly lit rooms, each one holding its own secrets and terrors. They heard faint whispers and unsettling murmurs that seemed to echo from the walls. Their breath hitched as they felt unseen eyes upon them, an unsettling presence that seemed to follow their every step. As they ascended the creaky staircase, a chilling gust of wind swept through the hallway, extinguishing one of their lanterns. Panic crept into their minds, but they clung to the hope of finding a way out. They could not allow fear to consume them. They had to press on. In the attic, they discovered an old, dusty book that revealed the tragic history of the mansion. It spoke of a family cursed by a vengeful spirit, doomed to wander the halls for eternity. The brothers' hearts sank as they realized the true horror of the mansion's past. Yet, armed with newfound knowledge, they continued their search for a way out. Each passing minute felt like an eternity as they navigated through the labyrinthine corridors. Their lanterns flickered, threatening to plunge them into darkness, but they held on, their hope a beacon in the abyss.
Finally, they stumbled upon a hidden passage concealed behind a bookshelf. The passage led to a forgotten cellar, where the oppressive air weighed on them like a heavy cloak. The cellar was a maze of cobwebs and forgotten relics. But the brothers pressed on, sensing that their escape was within reach. Their perseverance paid off as they discovered a rusted iron door at the far end of the cellar. With trembling hands, they pushed it open, and a sliver of moonlight spilled through, illuminating their path to freedom. Relief washed over them, but they knew they couldn't let their guard down just yet. They emerged from the mansion, gasping for breath, their faces pale with terror and exhaustion. They had faced the horrors of the haunted mansion and lived to tell the tale. As they looked back at the mansion's foreboding facade, a mixture of fear and gratitude filled their hearts. They had faced their deepest fears and conquered the darkness within. With a newfound appreciation for life and the bond between them, the brothers walked away from the haunted mansion, forever changed by their harrowing experience. They knew that the memories of that fateful night would linger, but they also knew that they had overcome their fears and emerged stronger because of it. As they journeyed home, they vowed to treasure every moment, for they had learned that even in the darkest of places, hope and courage could light the way. The haunted mansion would forever remain a part of their story, a testament to their resilience and the power of brotherhood. And as they looked toward the future, they knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would face them together, united by the unbreakable bond forged in the face of fear.